Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about Bluetooth technology. Here's an interesting one. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances, using short wavelength radio waves in the industrial, scientific and medical radio bands from 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz and building personal area networks. Into the history, Harald Bluetooth Gormson was a king of Denmark and Norway back in 1200 AD. How did they unite? He was the son of king based on an analogy that Bluetooth technology would unite devices the way Harald Bluetooth united the tribes of Denmark into a single kingdom. The exact origin of the nickname is up for debate, but many scholars believe that King Harald became known as Bluetooth because he had a conspicuous dead tooth that literally looked blue. Haha, pretty funny. The symbol of Bluetooth can be depicted with two triangles in a blue oval. These devices containing Bluetooth such as tablets and mobile devices, laptops, speakers, headphones and many more. You know how pairing devices work? It lets you pair from first device to another device. It can share data like images, videos, or music folders. In a mobile or tablet device, can be iOS or Android. Go to Settings and click Bluetooth. Any device you are using, for example, Samsung Galaxy J7. To pair a new device, wait and have a look when name of the devices appear. If you like to pair another device for sharing files, for example, Xiaomi 10 Pro. Once you have paired the device, a verification of 6-digit code will be displayed on both devices. And press OK on both devices. Auto confirmation can either be asked or not, it doesn't matter what you want. If your Bluetooth device is not working properly, try restarting your Bluetooth mode and try again, or else restart your device by power button selection. So, I hope you know how to use Bluetooth. Like, comment, and subscribe now.